Everything's always unrealistic until it isn't. This is how every big life begins. Somewhere along the way, men start living small. Small goals, small environments, small expectations. Childhood dreams, hopes, aspirations, gone. Reality is unkind to most. First you stop dreaming because dreaming feels irresponsible. Then you stop aiming because aiming feels delusional. But the truth is simple. Every life worth living starts out feeling unrealistic. You don't become more by staying in the same place, mentally or physically. Eventually, evolution is the only way to rise further. Put yourself around bigger energy, bigger ambition, bigger people, and suddenly, you're not the odd one out. You're simply a man who hasn't stepped into his future yet. The moment you see a bigger world, a part of you wakes up. A part of you that you didn't even know was asleep, waiting, watching. And once you catch a glimpse, you'll never unsee it. Most men kill their own potential with one word: realistic. They think staying safe is noble. They think thinking small is responsible. But no man ever built anything worth remembering by being realistic. Realistic is where all dreams go to quietly die. Here's the truth about the life you're living. The moment you start to move with intention, the moment you act with purpose, the moment you chase something bigger, the world around you starts bending and shifting at your will. What was unrealistic last month becomes normal next year. What felt impossible becomes routine. What felt out of reach becomes your new bare minimum. That's the power of momentum. There's a version of you out there right now, stronger, wealthier, more disciplined, more fulfilled, living the exact life you're afraid to struggle for. He's not fiction. He's not fantasy. He's simply waiting for you to stop apologizing for wanting more. But until you put in the time, the effort, the discipline to create this new version of yourself, you'll remain exactly where you are. You'll remain where most men stay: average, unfulfilled, unhappy, hiding in vices, slowly letting the hours fade away. If you want to stay average, keep being realistic. If you want to be extraordinary, it's time to start being unrealistic. The sky's the limit. Craft your wildest dreams and get to work.